In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post your project on Capcut directly to the Capcut community. Whether you're a seasoned editor or a beginner just dipping your toes into the world of video editing, this guide will help you share your creative masterpieces with an audience eager to see your work. First, you need to have your Capcut application open and your project fully edited and ready to go. This is where all your creative energy culminates, so make sure you have refined all the details in your video. Fine-tune those transitions, adjust your music if you need to, and ensure your clips flow seamlessly. The more polished your content, the better it will resonate with viewers. Once you're satisfied with the final edits, the next step is to head to the top right corner of your screen and tap the export button. This is a crucial step as it serves as the bridge between editing and sharing. Take a moment as the software works its magic to render your project into a completed video file. Depending on your video's length and complexity, this might take a few moments. It's always a good idea to use this time to double check your internet connection, as a stable connection will smooth out the process. After your video has been successfully exported, you'll notice an option that says Share to Capcut. If you see this option, tap on it. Some versions of the application vary, so if this option doesn't appear for you, check if your app is updated or verify the instructions for your specific region. With your video poised to enter the public eye, the next step is to tap on Post. This is an exciting moment where your hard work is ready to meet the world. When you select Post, you're uploading your video to the vibrant Capcut community where users can view and interact with your content. Think of it as the moment just before your creation takes the stage. It's worthwhile to pause and appreciate your efforts. It's important to note that you need to be signed into a Capcut account to access the upload feature. Additionally, the ability to post in-app might not be available in all regions just yet, as Capcut continues to roll out new features globally. So, ensure that your account credentials are ready and you're logged in to avoid any hitches in the process. With these steps completed, your video is now ready and available for others to enjoy within the Capcut community. Enjoy the experience of sharing your creativity and engaging with other enthusiasts who share your passion, and keep honing your skills as Capcut offers a dynamic platform for showcasing your talent. Happy editing, and thank you for journeying through this informative session.